Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone X7B. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display, 6.8 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 87.3% screen to body ratio, approximately 389 ppi pixel density, 850 nits peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now, talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p. At 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 7.2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Gold plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable through dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.7 by 76.5 by 8.2 mm, and its weight around 199 grams. The color options: flowing silver, emerald green, midnight black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 35-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, GPS, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X7B pricing starts at around $249 and 70,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X7B smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.